How to fix authentication error when using remote desktop connection on Windows 10. To fix authentication error when using remote desktop connection on Windows 10, try updating your system through Microsoft Update Catalog, KB50086001 for Windows 10 1607, Server 2016. KB50086002 for Windows 10 1809, Server 2019. KB50086003 for Windows 8.1, Windows Server 2012 R2. KB50086004 for Windows Server 2012. KB50086005 for Windows 7, Windows Server 2008 R2. KB50086006 for Windows Server 2008.